Hello! So, it's my birthday today. So, ang motive ng birthday today is celebrate my birthday in different places. In different places, right, Dad? So, we avail in different places celebrating my birthday here. So, simple lang ang birthday ko yun. Kaya avail natin yung mga free gifts ko from different places. So, mamaya pupunta rin tayo sa, So, ngayon, pupunta muna tayo sa, sa Paul, sa favorite bake shop ko. And then, susunod yung Costa, and then yung Bubi. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Yun yung motive ko ngayon. We're celebrating my birthday in different places. Diba? So, pwede rin nyo rin, places. So, pwede nyo rin gamitin yon kung gusto nyo mag-birthday kayo. So, in different places, you will achieve different gifts from different places na through your app, through your iPhone app. Right? Day cake ko. Sana ma-avail natin. So, in every purchase you visit here, there's a points na ma-aldo. And there's every gift na makukuha, diba? So, 1 week before your birthday, you can receive messages from Paul. Ito pala. So, ito yung free cake ko from Paul. So, buksan natin siya. So, from Paul. Yes, here in you. Like that. So, may free coffee tayo on my birthday. So, avail natin yun, di ba? Di ba, may cake na tayo, may free coffee pa, di ba? So, I'm celebrating my birthday in different places, right? I have a free coffee here. Actually, it's 2 because I'm always buying coffee here. So, I avail my free birthday coffee, and then there's one free coffee because of my points. So, I avail my points. So, here in my Costa is here. Yeah. So, I'm waiting my birthday coffee. So, this is a Costa. So, there's a lot of tumbler that you need. And lots of, sweets. And, this one. Can you greet me once more so I can... Can you greet me one more time? Yeah. Can you greet me one more time?
Welcome to Costa.
Yeah. Can you greet me one more time because it's my birthday? Yeah. No, you can greet me na happy birthday to me. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So we're here in Costa. We're celebrating the different places on my birthday. So, I'm going to, claim ko yung free birthday coffee ko, plus my free coffee in my points. Right, Dad? Ito na yung free birthday coffee ko. Yes! Thank you! Yeah, thank you! Free coffee ko in my birthday. So, I like this one, coffee frap. Hi, thank you. Yeah. So, just go to Costa, you will have a free coffee in every point you will buy. Yeah. This is my free coffee on my birthday. So now we're going to some places. I'm going to celebrate my birthday in different places na i-offer ko yung mga free birthday gift ko sa mga app ko. So, diba? Ito yung ko, naisip ko sa birthday celebration ko, diba? So, we'll check. Okay? So, we're going up to my favorite milk tea, the Bubi. So, we're going there to the Bubi. Right, Dad? So, papanik tayo sa Bubi to get my free milk tea. So, we're going, Feel ko yung birthday treat Go buy Boopy, buy one, get one free here in Boopy. Yeah. Yes. Kasi birthday ko, so avail ko to. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the yes. Avail natin ngayon yan. Ito na yung free Boopy natin. From my free birthday cake. Free birthday treat. Buy one, take one here in. So, diba? So we're going to celebrate in my different places here in El Forno. So, ang next stop natin sa El Forno. Kasi favorite ko dito yung pasta. So, bibili ako ng pasta with my... Anong flavor, Dad? American.
Try natin yung ibang.
Alfredo or other things. So, go try natin yung ibang flavor ng Alfredo. So, dito yung celebrating my different... my birthday in different places, right? Ito yung Ramadan treat nila now. So, try natin yung iba. So, we're celebrating my different places here. Different places. So, mag-celebrate ako ng birthday ko sa iba't iba. So, I avail some of my free gifts in the Paul, Costa, and Bubi. So, yung iba kasi hindi ko na mapuntahan kasi malayo siya. So, now, kasi nagutom ako, kumain kami sa El Forno. Yan, kumain kami sa El Forno here. Kasi masarap yung pasta nila. And now, my baby's now availing yung free Costa niya.
Yung birthday ko, April lang.
Oh, yeah.
Diba?
So, mamaya, avail ko rin naman yung merong hinanda sa akin yung yung organization ko na something lang simple. I'll show it to you later. But now later, I'm going to celebrate my simple birthday with my kids and with my husband. Surprise ko saan. Diba? So, ito na yung free next stop namin na free meal namin. Hindi. Kami nagbayad nito. So, ito yung simple celebration ko. So, ito yung ito Alfredo, no? Dad, Alfredo. And then, garlic bread. Na kinagkata na ng asawa ko. Kasi gutom na siya. So, ito na yung Alfredo, salad, and garlic bread. Na may kagat na nung kinagata na talaga. So, then water lang tayo. Yeah. And we're waiting for the bolognese. Okay. Yeah. Ayan. Yes. Sige na pala. Ito yung fourth stop namin sa El Forno. May Alfredo. And we're waiting for the bolognese. And we have the salad and then the water. So, I'm celebrating not in one place only, but different places. So, we eat in different restaurant or food chain, and then I avail my free gifts from my app on my birthday. So, di ba, ang saya? Diba? Pwede nyo rin, itry din nyo sa birthday nyo. Instead of staying at home, you can go outside. Diba? Na yung food namin. Ito na yung bolognese and Alfredo. Ang ganda ng bolognese na. Dali ba picture ko yung bolognese? Ay! Yan. So, yun yung bolognese. Nice, right? Kumakain na asawa ko. So, yan. Ito yung Alfredo. Kain na tayo. Sarap talaga niya. Number 1 Alfredo pasta is El Forno. Ready? Eat.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit daw. And this is the last stop of my birthday celebration in many places, different places. Leo, say happy birthday to me. We're going to Fridays. So, to Fridays. Daddy, we're going to Fridays to celebrate my birthday with my kids. Say hi to mommy and say happy birthday to mommy. Yeah. We're going now here in Fridays. Say happy birthday to mommy.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Kay daddy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mami.
Salbay.
Happy birthday, baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Happy birthday to me. Manda na naman ako. So, after this one, we're going to somewhere outside, like, ano pa sila. And then, we have a simple happy birthday to me. We are here in TGIF. Actually, ito ang favorite kainan ng mga kids ko. At kami dalawa. Diba, Dad? Kasi, actually, super sarap dito ang steak. Super sarap. Saka yung burger nila, juicy talaga. Talagang pabalik-balik kami yung food dito sa TGIF. Pero, ayan. TGIF. I celebrate my birthday here. So, this is located in Alwala Mall. Upper level. So, I'll share to you the food later. Ikakita mo na sa baba. One, two, three. Wow. Season na natin yung tea.
Yeah, ba't di mo inubos?
Ito na.
Steak
Ito
mo.
na lang. Pero kakata muna tayo para may meron.
Sige po.
May kakamata tayo, wala na panlaman.
It's ano na,
Kung
it's
pusta pa nila.
napa.
Lagay mo dun. Lagay mo dito. Yan, kainin ko.
Ano yan? Rated. Nakainin pa ng daddy mo.
Oh.
There, yeah.
Rated yan.
There's even still left.
Kainin nyo to sayang ha. Beans. Ano? Beans.
And then,
Eto, busin mo to.
ayan.
Ako hindi nakatabibili.
Ayan.
Adi, busin mo yung ano, potato.
Busog na ako.
Inaano nyo pa? Dito yan na. Dito mo ilagay. Please. Ayaw mo na wag na. Busin mo na to, please. Ang kulit mo naman.
Take out it.
Hindi na pwede i-take out.
Hey boy, you know what? Today someone celebrating birthday. We are gonna celebrate for this and so for you. Another one of a birthday party that do. One little do little great happy birthday, four little five little six, four got it, seven little eight little nine little four. And how old are you? Oh yeah, la 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 la. Happy birthday!
Wala pa flowers si Sir.
Now we're going now here for the Daddy. Final birthday celebration here. Hi! Hello! Ayan, bumalik ako ulit. Naalala niyo ako? Going now here. Ito dati yung mga ano, mamaya picturean mo ako di. Ayan. Tapos yan na dati kayo mag-picture dyan. Oh, we're going now. Yan, number 4, YouTube. Nga kids, dali may oras to. We're not going to sing. We're just an audience. Tayo lang nakakaintindi niya. Kanta ang baby ko. Woo! Game. Daddy, video mo. Daddy. Princess, if you want to join, you can join also. Louder, please. Princess, here's your mic. Loud. Woo! Ah.
I wanna